my previous lesson, I was talking about postpartum sex, and I have taken you certain topics, certain hints on how to improve, on how to go through both the pains and how to overcome the pains. But on today's topic, on today's lesson, I want us to discuss about great postpartum sex. How can you improve? How can you make better that first sex after delivery? That is, after healing, you have you have gone through delivery, and now you want to engage into sex. So how are you going to improve it? How are you going to make it great? So on today's lesson, I'm going to give you 5 tips to try for great postpartum sex. Otherwise, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is the Love Doctor. I love relationship, marriage, and sex counselor. I'm glad that you're watching, and I hope you'll watch up to the last minute. Thank you so much. So, point number one is take your time. Yeah, take your time. Don't rush. Don't rush it. A lot of people make the mistake of rushing into sex immediately. Yeah, immediately they are through with the delivery. But most doctors, you understand, most doctors or your health guidance advise that you need to take time. As time it helps your vagina to escape more tears, and it tends to make for a great sex. It gives a great exploration, okay, and at a great experience the moment you allow yourself to take time. Don't rush it. It's not necessary. You rush, the doctor told you to stay up to 4 weeks probably, but you want to have that sex within the second week. Your vagina is not healed, so what will happen? You'll continue making it worn out, you'll continue making it tear, and in the due process, yeah, it might have future negative impact on your vagina. Okay. Point number two is take a bubble bath with your partner. What do I mean? This will make you get to know your partner again, and even better this time. It's not that easy to find time to relax between taking care of this now newborn baby, because this newborn baby needs your attention, it needs your everything. So it is good. However, when your baby is asleep, it's a great time. You can sneak off. You can sneak with your partner into that bathroom for a nice bubble bath. You'll find out that this puts you in the mood of a sexual encounter. You are there, now you're with your partner. You can see your partner again. You've missed, probably there could be those touches as you pamper, you do the massages in the bathroom. It will not give you a sexual encounter. It will put you in a mood of sex. Okay. The other one is be spontaneous during partner time. Of course, you understand that sex is great when spontaneity is incorporated, and it doesn't just meant for your bedroom. No, 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 no. Nighttime or your bathroom. Apana. Go ahead. Bury it in the sitting room. Bury it in the stairs. Bury it in the compound, in the car, while a great, you know, while a very great movie is being watched or even in the kitchen. So what are we saying? Be someone who needs, as in you are ready for a new thing. You are ready to evolve. You are ready to capture a new moment. You see? Okay? So be spontaneous during partner time, because you understand that sex is great when spontaneity is incorporated, and it isn't just meant for your bedroom, nighttime, or your bathroom. Okay? The other one is plan for birth control. Just like we mentioned in my earlier posts and in my earlier lessons in my previous videos, it would be a great idea to seek your doctor's help when the issue of birth control pills and contraceptive arises. He or she is in the best position to tell you what pills and what type of birth control your body can handle. Okay? So don't forget having the fact that you are on a birth control pill at the back of your mind relaxes your nerves and makes you have a great sex with the partner. What do I mean? You are there. Possibly you're worried about having a baby again. You don't want to be pregnant again. So to avoid those worries, it is necessary that you take the recommended plan for birth control, because it will give it will give your mind that sensation of feeling, or that relaxation of feeling. It will make your body relax. It will make your mind and your nerves, yeah, to relax, that now you are safe enough. You cannot just have an unplanned baby, and now it's time for you to exploit and to go back to the normal flow of the sex. And believe you me, it's going to make you have that great sex with your partner. The other one is, you can try investing in some lube. Yeah, it will be particularly useful after delivery, because you understand that vagina tends to be dry during this period, and having sex in this condition might cause 2 or more tears to drop. You have, there is that kind of a pain you can feel. Of course, you understand, you as a woman, what I mean. So if it is advisable that the moment you experience dry vagina, yeah, use some lubes, because the moment you have sex with that dry vagina, it will tend to cause that pain, which will now tend to make that the whole process be uncomfortable for you. Okay, so making lubricants a part for your sex life after delivery might save you a few drops of tears. Okay, so with those marked, and with those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with those 5 points, trust me, it will have a big impact as you prepare to have that first time sex after delivery. Okay, so I hope I have, in a great way, taught you or taken you through those lessons about postpartum sex, and I wish you the very best. Kindly, if sex becomes uncomfortable for you, even after undergoing these 5 tips, please seek medical attention. Don't force yourself to have sex if for sure you're feeling it's not safe for you. Don't let anyone push you or put you in a situation that you'll come to regret in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have learned something. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Please place your comment on the comment section. I like interacting with my audience. I would love to hear what you have learned. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.